Hello, my name is Matthew Miller, founder of Rivanna Labs. We are excited to introduce SolarScope. Unfortunately, homeowners have little power or data in the solar purchase process. They have no way of verifying what the installer is quoting. Installed systems underperform their quoted production by an average of 8%. Solar is a big financial choice, and homeowners deserve better data with which to make informed decisions. Our solution is SolarScope, software that anyone can use to generate custom, optimized array designs and estimates of solar production. Step 1 in this process is gathering drone images. This is an easy step using free software that can be completed by a homeowner in about 30 minutes, or they can hire a freelance drone pilot for around $50. Once the images are uploaded to our servers, SolarScope generates a detailed 3D model and simulates solar irradiance on the roof throughout the year. Okay, so now let's take a look at what the customer actually sees. SolarScope's AI algorithm automatically classifies points of interest like the roof, roof edges, roof obstructions, and trees. And we can enter a few options. Let's say that my goal is to produce more energy annually than I actually use. I want at least 1 foot of space between the roof edges and the panels, and that I live in a place that includes net metering. Now let's generate our analysis. And now, as you can see, the system generates an optimal panel layout based on the provided settings. The customer receives this 3D roof model and a data pack, including a solar map of their roof, simulated production each day of the year, a bill of materials, estimated cost, and rough installation plans. With this data, we believe that homeowners will be able to make informed decisions about solar. Our goals are to use the remainder of the year to secure funding, then expand our team early next year, and then launch and refine our product with the remainder of 2024. Our team is made up of 1 engineering teacher and 4 college engineering students at UVA, MIT, and the University of Colorado. Thank you for listening, and feel free to contact us with any questions.